Hello, instructions for Excel Module 4, AutoSum Options Print Preview. It is the actual assignment that you just completed above it with the 5 worksheets, Complex Formula 5 worksheets. So go ahead and open that work. So it may be in Complex Formula 5 right now, so click the first one, Complex Formula 1. And whatever we do, whether it's the orientation, the centering of the page vertically or horizontally, or a header or footer, it'll only happen on this worksheet. In order to include all 5 worksheets, you have to select them. So with the first one selected, hold Shift and click Complex Formula 5 Sheet tab name, and it selects all of them. Now you'll click File, Print, and it's showing 1 of 10 because it's in portrait, so some of it went over to the second page. So the first thing we're going to do is change it from portrait orientation to landscape. And it changes it 1 to 6, and the 5th one goes on to a second page because it has that bonus column, but I'll show you how to fix that. So now go ahead and choose the page setup. And what you're going to do now, there's a landscape already selected. I'll go into the margins tab, and I want to center on page horizontally and vertically. So it's horizontal and vertical. Then go into header footer, and you can choose either custom header or custom footer. You'll get the same 3 options. Left section is the insert current date. For the middle section, we usually do insert file name, but for this one, I want the name of the worksheets. So I'm going to choose insert sheet name, and then on the right type your first name, and then click OK and OK, and it'll center it both horizontal and vertical. You can see this is Complex Formula 1. Then I'll go to the next one, Complex Formula 2, 3, 4, and when you go to the 5th one, you'll notice that there's a 6. We're missing that bonus column, so it's all by itself here. So what you can do on worksheet 5 is scroll down, and there's a section about no scaling. When you select that, you'll get more options. Choose Fit Sheet on 1 page. So it will make the font size smaller, just so that bonus will be also on this page. So now there's just 1 of 5 worksheets, and you can see bonus is now on the 5th worksheet, so there's no 6th worksheet. So you can go ahead and go back, and right now they're still grouped, so you have 2 things that you can do to ungroup it. You can just individually click any single worksheet, or you can right click and choose ungroup. And then I always go back to the first worksheet, so that's what it opens as. And go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.